Good morning. We are Penn State. It's an Animal Kingdom kind of morning, B. Adventures out there. It is also in the bus lot this morning.
Yeah.
Fun stuff. Pandora this morning. Let's rock and roll. It is 7:19 and we're just getting into the park. Let's do it. All right, B3, series of unfortunate events.
One, the bus incident.
The bus fiasco. We can go over that later. Oh no, you can't now. I don't care.
Well, no, there was like a bus that didn't know what they were doing, so it was like blocking all the other buses and our minivans. We were kind of stuck. We couldn't get out.
It was a bus jam.
Yeah. And then we got in and we ended up in the wrong lane.
We chose poorly for every line that we got into to get in here. So we're back. About 45-minute wait. It's 7:40. 7:40. So we'll see what happens.
They said it was 45 minutes to an hour, but
it's all good. But spoiler alert, we have a lightning lane for this later, so we're good either way. But the little bubster back there who's not paying attention likes to ride, so we're down. We shall ride it twice. It is his favorite, so we shall ride twice. So 6 minutes and we made it to here, and we're braiding. All right, 8:08 and we're here. What time did we say? 7:45?
7:45.
It's not bad. 25 minutes. We're about to go into the multiple line dealie up here, so not bad. It's close. Woo-wee.
Hot.
It's bright out.
Right.
Okay, so Avatar is over about 50 minutes.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. That wasn't a bad wait at all. We had a good time.
And the 50 minutes is including the ride and all the pre-show.
Yeah.
So it was good overall. It's bright right here.
My favorite part of the ride is watching their faces, like while we're flying. I like to look over. That's absolutely my favorite. I did get splashed a lot, and that like never happened before. So it's like, where's water? Not to me.
You were in the middle. You got all the water because I got no water. So yeah, it was good. I forgot. I always forget how good that ride is, and it's awesome. Yeah. Worth the wait. And we got a lightning lane here in an hour. So we're heading to, for this, so we're heading to Kilimanjaro Safari at the moment to catch that, then we'll be back. So let's go, troops.
Adventurers and explorers, cast your eyes to the water and say, Wingapo, as you sail just around the riverbank.
Hey B, not for nothing, I'm pretty sure this is the first time we've ever been in this standby line as well.
I knew that. Yeah, let's for here. We're not.
Well, no, but we also always had these as fast passes.
Oh yeah.
Always.
And I think we usually do Navi after the Pandora.
Usually.
We're a little
Usually.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. We'll probably hit it when we go ride it again here in a minute. So, but again, queue's pretty cool. Digging it. roughly, maybe 28. We're about to load. So, not bad. We'll take it.
¿Sabes ese grandotote? Allá, en el fondo.
You're also able to eat up to half of their body weight.
So our short trip in Africa was just that, short. It was good, it wasn't bad. Half an hour wait, we got through. Good safari. We are heading back to Pandora though. We're heading off-world again, folks. It's time to ride a Banshee. So ride 2 on Pandora, Lightning Lane at 10:05. See how long it takes to get through instead of the 95 minutes it's posted right now. So let's check it out.
Burger pot place.
We're at Satu'li Cantina. It is Gigi's favorite from last time, so we decided to come back. We're gonna hit up the pods, obviously, and Randy got a bowl, so
good.
Already?
Oh yeah.
We're there. But Satu'li Cantina in Pandora. It's one of the better quick services on property, for sure. And we normally skip it and go to Nomad, but the menu at Nomad's a little light. So we came here to eat. We're gonna check it out. I'm gonna eat the cheeseburger pods, even though there's devil onions in them. Good to go. So, G, are you gonna give a review of your burger?
Obviously. Okay. So look.
I'm looking, but you're out of frame.
This is what it looks like. This is what happens when you eat it. It's so good.
So what's it taste like?
Burger.
Any specific kind of burger? Like one from McDonald's, maybe?
Loving burger.
No?
It doesn't taste like a McDonald's burger.
Doesn't? Okay.
It tastes like taco meat, but it's not taco meat.
Interesting. Interesting take on that one. I shall try now.
So I ordered the Satu'li bowl, and what's fun is you can pick out what you want. You start with your protein, which is, you know, shrimp, beef, whatever. I went with shrimp, and there were multiple choices. Then next was like beans, rice, or pasta. I went with the pasta. And then your sauce. There were 3 sauce options. You went with the green onion
Vinaigrette.
Yep. Yes. And it is so good. It's a little spicy, has a little kick to it. There's these little citrusy bobas on top, and then there's, I don't know if it's like cilantro versus the green onion stuff. I don't know. This is delicious. This is so good. Shrimp, I didn't get any shrimp on this bite, but I'm loving
So you got Gianna's review of the actual bun itself. I'm gonna go with the slaw slash boba ball slash chip. The slaw is really good. The slaw is really, really good. I was kind of upset that they put it all over the chips. Now I'm not. Doing it all together works super well. Highly recommend it. And also, we got one of these things, the Hawks Grog Ale, which is green. It's pretty much just dye in a wheat beer. It's not bad. I've had it before. It's refreshing on a hot day like today. So here we go. All right, B. Satu'li. Good stuff?
Good lunch, good lunch. Yeah.
Did you like your bowl?
I did. I think if I ordered it again, I would say a little less dressing if I could do that.
Would you get the same dressing though?
Maybe. I don't remember what the other ones were.
So maybe.
Maybe. I don't know.
The pods were good.
But it was good.
Yeah, it was good.
I wouldn't get the dessert again.
It was okay.
It wasn't bad.
It was just moussey. I don't know. not like moussey, but moussey, like French mousse. I don't even know if that's the way to pronounce it.
Burger pods were good. I don't know. I think I'd go with the bowl over the burger pods.
Sweet. Yeah, bowl was good. Burgers were good. It's all good. I actually like the pods, and I know there's onions in them for sure. We're off to Nomad, but
yeah.
Real quick, if you're new, hit the subscribe button. Thumbs up the video if you liked it. Enjoy the review of Satu'li. If you've been there, drop a comment down below. For Brandy, I'm me. As you stare over there.
Watching my kids.
Watching my kids. Love you guys. Thanks for being here. Bye. Pew pew. All right, B. Another successful Animal Kingdom day.
Yeah.
I know we kind of bounced and then went to Everest, and it was a long wait. And you were at Mummy Daycare at Nomad Lounge.
Yeah, we had fun. We had a great server, Karina.
Yep, Karina was fantastic. So.
Awesome. Tried the churros. Jenna from Resort TV 1 said that we have to try the churros. So I was like, it's a churro. How good can it be? She's like, so good.
They're super good.
Guess what? Try them. They are delicious. There's a coffee sauce and a cream sauce that you can try. So yummy. I will go back for those for sure.
Churro was good. Also, real quick, there was another menu that isn't online. So.
But it was on the back of the bar menu.
on the back of the bar menu when you got there. So I think it's just straight bar menu.
We would have went there for lunch.
We would have. If you rewind a few minutes, I said we went to Nomad because the menu wasn't what it once was. Well, it actually is. And they had the beef sliders. They had some other stuff on there too. It was solid. Maybe when I come back here later and stream with Steve, I'll take a picture and I will put it on maybe social media, like Instagram, where you should follow us. Brandy and Dave on Instagram or the TikTok.
Why the quotation?
I don't know. I'm bored. Anyhow.
Joey, Friends.
He quotes the wrong stuff.
Yeah, but it's funny.
Yeah, exactly.
It's funny.
Maybe it's funny. All right. Well, appreciate y'all being here. We're out for the day. Love you guys. If you're new, hit subscribe. Thumbs up. Please and thank you. See you again real soon.
Bye.